It's that extraordinary mimic, the lyrebird.
The sequence with the lyrebirds I particularly love because I have actually heard that going on.
What bird has the most complex, the most beautiful song in the world? Well, I guess there are lots of contenders, but this bird must be one of them. The super bird of Southern Australia.
To persuade females to come close and admire his plumes, he sings the most complex song he can manage, and he does that by copying the songs of all the other birds he hears around him, such as the kookaburra. It's a very convincing impersonation. Even is fooled. He can imitate the calls of at least 20 different species. He also, in his attempt to outsing his rivals, incorporates other sounds that he hears in the forest.
First heard noises, I thought, though somebody's chopping wood, or a car horn's going, and then it suddenly goes in the middle of it, and I thought, wait a minute, and then I heard a kookaburra noise, and I realised what I was hearing was the repertoire of that particular lyrebird.
Camera shutter. And again. And now a camera with a motor drive. And that's a car alarm. And now the sounds of foresters and their chainsaws working nearby.
Each individual bird has a different repertoire, of course it does, you know, although certain noises do recur.